Okay, our learning goal for today is to look for measurements to compare a number line to a ruler and to be able to use the same skills in a number line and apply them to measurement to compare distances and answer questions about them. So the directions read, use the ruler below to draw one line that begins at 2 centimeters and ends at 12 centimeters. So we want to start the line here at 2 and we want to end it here at 12. And we'll just use a straight edge for this real quickly. Okay. Then it says label that line R. Draw another line that begins at 5 centimeters. So here's 5, I'm going up to about 5, and ends at 11. Label that line S. So I'm going to just look at my directions again and make sure I didn't skip anything. I drew one line that begins at 2, one that ends at 12. I labeled it R. I drew another line that began at 5 and ended at 11, and I labeled it S. Now the directions say add 3 centimeters to line R and 4 centimeters to line S. So 3 centimeters to line R. So I'm going to start there first. So that means I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, ending here at 15. And then 4 centimeters to line S. 1, 2, 3, 4. Also ending at 15. Now it's asking me, how long is line R now? So if line R starts at 2 and ends at 15, I can do this a couple ways. I can certainly come up with the equation 15 minus 2 equals, or I can use a strategy of counting up. So I'm going to show you how I do that now. Starting at 2, I can use my pencil or my marker or my finger, and I can count up from 2 to 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Line R is now 13 centimeters long. And again, the equation 15 minus 2, also 13. Now how long is line S? So line S starts at 5 and goes to 15. I'm going to go this way. So I can do 15 minus 5 equals, I can also do it this way. I can start from 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So doing some of my counting from the bottom and some from the top help make sure that I don't mix up the two. So again, here we're trying to see if children can figure out the measurements from the middle of another part of the number line instead of starting at 0. Now it is asking the new line S, that's this one here, is how many centimeters shorter or longer than the new line R? So first I have to ask myself, is line S shorter or longer? And line S is what, boys and girls? Is it shorter, right? Because line S is 10 now and line R is 13. So line S is shorter, so I'm going to circle shorter. But by how many? So now I'm comparing these two numbers. And so now for this one, I'm going to do 13 minus 10 equals, I can also, can I borrow, does anyone have a different color besides green? Oh, perfect, thank you. I'm going to use this blue marker to show you the difference. Do you see how line S starts here and line R starts here? So So the difference is this space here that I'm coloring blue. And that is 1, 2, 3. So the new line S is 3 centimeters shorter than the new line R, or 13 minus 10 equals 3. I'll leave this up here for a minute.